Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find sound and vibration. Just tap on it. So the second section, this is the first, here we've got the second, is connected with the sounds. So the notification, system sound, etc. At the top we've got the ringtone, so let's simply tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. So we can choose something from those options, but in the right upper corner we've got also this plus icon. So if you've got something, for example, download it, record it, I don't know how you kind of get the music. It should appear somewhere here, and you should be able to set it as your ringtone. Moreover, at the top of this list, we've got this option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you. Also, if you want to, you can change the vibrations, so you can turn them on and off, and you can also change the mode or the pattern. Alright, so to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you need to simply tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like this radio wave to be set. Just make sure that it is marked and then go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.